Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily replace your Delta tub spout. A clear sign that you need a new tub spout is when water starts leaking from the back of the spout when you pull down the diverter. You see what I mean? The Delta tub spout I'm replacing doesn't have a set screw at the bottom, which means it's a threaded model. If yours looks the same, congratulations. This video will guide you through the exact steps to replace it. To remove the old tub spout, just grip it firmly and turn it counterclockwise until it comes off completely. I've used this same spout for about 10 years, and I'm surprised the adapter behind it is still in great condition. When I install the new Delta tub spout, I'll be applying some all-purpose silicone sealant to prevent water from getting behind the wall. I'll demonstrate that shortly. Now, let's get to the replacement. I'm really happy with Amazon because the new tub spout arrived the same day I ordered it. Let's open it. Besides the spout itself, it also includes a new adapter. However, I'm not going to replace the old one since it still looks solid and leak-free. Now simply align the new tub spout with the adapter and twist it clockwise to tighten it securely. That should do the trick. Let's test it before applying any sealant. Perfect. I don't see any water leaking from the back anymore. Now it's time to apply silicone sealant at the top and sides of the spout where it meets the wall. This helps prevent water from seeping in. If you've never used a caulking gun before, here's how. First, pull the plunger back slightly. Then, cut the tip of the sealant tube like this. Use the built-in metal rod on the gun to puncture the inner seal. Next, insert the tube of silicone sealant into the gun and push the plunger back in. Now you're ready to go. I recommend keeping your windows open while applying silicone. The smell can be pretty strong. Now, I had trouble holding the phone and using the caulking gun at the same time, so I'm going to put the phone down for this part. Here's a quick tip. You can apply a little bit of sealant onto your gloved index finger and smooth it along the edge for a clean finish. And that's it. I did it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical how-to videos and product peeks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.